Let's go into a bit more detail with the Nephilim and giants. In Genesis 6, we learn that the fallen angels produced offspring by mating with Adamic women. However, the result, their descendants, is mistranslated often to giants from the Hebrew word Nephilim, and a better translation would perhaps be fallen ones. The angels that rebelled and corrupted Yahweh's creation fell from grace and produced a fallen race, hence the name Fallen Ones. Whilst evidently some Nephilim grew to a gigantic size, not all of them were, and in Enoch we also learn that the fallen angels mixed all of creation together, creating monsters and hybrid races, so they weren't only mixing with Adamic women. Thus, if Noah's flood was local and his ark landed somewhere in the Middle East, then the Adamic civilization restarted there, and all the Adamic families looked the same, yet gradually they encountered other races as they spread out. The Canaanites, who originally were Adamic, intermixed with the Nephilim, therefore their descendants would be Nephilim, and we understand what happened when the spies sent out by Moses reported back. We saw the Nephilim, the sons of Anak, who come of the Nephilim, and we were in our own sight as grasshoppers. Evidently some are of gigantic size, and we also see here that the Nephilim survived the flood. In the same way, we Europeans have also discovered numerous people out there as we spread out across the world. Logically, they must be remnants of the Nephilim descended from the fallen angels before the flood. We must realize every non-Adamite biped origin must be with the fallen angels, and they are all Nephilim. So when Christ warns us that the end times will be like the days of Noah, looking around our cities and nations today, how we have become completely overrun, we should realize we are in the days of Noah right now and surrounded by Nephilim, not giants, just like Noah and his family were thousands of years ago. This brings us to